In class 12, 11th accountancy, we are on chapter number 4. And in chapter number 4, today I am going to explain you day book. And in day book also I explain you to various PPTs about cash book and simple column cash book, double column cash book, and petty cash book. My dear children, today I am going to explain you about the purchase book. So look at the board. Today we are going to start purchase book. First of all, chapter 4, and our topic is day book. And in the day book, I will explain you today. Note down please, purchase book. So today we are going to start purchase book. This is purchase book. Purchase book. Now note down, in the purchase book, the organization can enter the credit purchase of goods in which he or she is dealing on regular basis. But cash purchases not entered and purchase of assets will also not entered in purchase book. Purchase of asset will also not to be entered in purchase book. The next point, for the same state dealings, CGST and SGST will applicable, while for different states, IGST will be applicable. Children, note down, prepare a purchase book. Note down the question. Prepare a purchase book of Pawan Stationers. Prepare a purchase book of Pawan Stationers of Kota. Pawan Stationers of Kota. On 5th January, purchase from Camlin, Mumbai. Purchase from Camlin, Mumbai. 100 box of colors at the rate of 10 rupees. At the rate of 10 rupees. Trade discount 10%. Trade discount 10%. Next line, 7 January, purchase from Big B, Jaipur. Purchase from Big B, Jaipur. 20 pencil box. At the rate of 20 rupees each. 20 pencil box at the rate of rupees 20 each. CGST and SGST at the rate of 5% each. CGST and SGST at the rate of 5% each. Now I am going to start to make one purchase book. This is the format of purchase book. Yes, start to make down. First of all, purchase book. This is date, particular. This is date, particular, voucher number, particulars, voucher number, LF. In place of voucher number, that is bill number, receipt number, anything can be there. Then total amount or the amount for calculation. Then first of all, cost price, CGST, SGST, IGST, and last column is for net amount. Or here we can write calculation or details. This is you can make for details. For details. Yes, please, Anand, make the format. Shivin, date, particular, voucher number, LF, date, detail. Noel John, make the format. Noel John, make the format. Parth Kachawa, Rishi Raj, please make the format. Manan Sharma, you joined late but made the format, please. Now see how to enter. First of all, date, and the date given 5th January. You can use black pen for writing the heading, or you can use the block capital letters from Camlin, Mumbai. Underline it. Camlin, Mumbai. Now how to write it? Look, 100 bucks at the rate of 10 each means 1000. Less 10% TD means 100 rupees. So now the amount is 900. Trade discount should be subtracted. Piyush, note down. Now add, because this is Mumbai and that purchase book of Pawan Stationers Kota. So states are changing. Kota in Rajasthan, Mumbai in Maharashtra. So the states are going to change. So we have to add IGST, and IGST is 10%. 10% means 90 rupees. Now the amount is 990 and cost price is 900. CGST is not there, IGST is not there. 90 rupees is IGST and the total amount is 990. You can make in this way. See, I am going to explain you again. This is 990. How it is 990? Because 900 plus 90. Why IGST applicable, Tanish? Because the states are going to change. Note down, states are changing. That's why we are keeping IGST. Now second transaction, 7 January. 7 January transaction is from Big B, Jaipur. Big B, Jaipur. And what are the things he purchased? 20 pencil box at the rate of 20. It means 400. But no trade discount, so no need to give. Now add. Which tax will be applicable here? Which tax? CGST and SGST, because this is the transaction with Jaipur. So add 5% CGST and add 5% SGST. 5% of 400 is 20. 5 fours are 20. Then add these taxes and we are on the last line again. So the total is 440 and here 400. CGST 20, SGST 20, no IGST, and the final total is 440. At the end, you will write by this way. Total of cost price is 1300. Total of CGST is 20. Total of SGST is 20. Total of IGST is 90. Or total of net column is 1430. This is the total. You should note down with the capital letters. See, my dear children, first note down the question, then answer. In this question, I gave you both the conditions. IGST, because the states are going to change, Mumbai and Rajasthan. And CGST, SGST, because the states are same, Jaipur and Kota. So both the conditions I have given you. Mehak Bajaj, note it down. Please note down it. I will explain you. See the total, how we will do the total. First 1000 minus discount, remaining amount. Then you will put the tax. That putting the tax is 90 rupees. Why? Because 10%. 90. So 900 is the cost price, no CGST, no SGST on it. 90 rupees is the IGST. Why IGST, Tanesh? Because the states are changing. I explain you in the theory that this transaction is of Mumbai and that is of Kota. Then the next big B, Jaipur. Here Jaipur and Kota dealing. It means CGST and SGST. My dear children, note it down. Tanishq Malik, please copy it. Tanishq Malik, copy it. And see the total, how we are doing the total. First price, CGST, SGST, IGST. And net amount. And net amount. See if trade discount is given, subtract it. If tax is given, add it. Noel John, note it down properly. Shivin Soni, please on your video. Rishiraj, any doubt, then please tell me. Rishiraj. Shivin Soni, don't off your video, beta. Pritika Vijay, copy it. See, my dear children, I am explaining you again. We are on purchase book, and when we are making purchase book, be careful. Don't enter cash transaction because we are making cash book, and don't enter asset purchase transaction because we are making journal proper. So for purchase book, only goods purchase on credit to be entered, whether within the state or from outside the state, intra or inter, both. So here, this is the purchase book of Pawan Stationers Kota, and he is purchasing goods from Camlin, Mumbai, 100 box of colors at the rate of 10 rupees each. So 100 into 10, 100 into 10, that is 1000 rupees. Anand Singh will look at the board. 10% trade discount means 1000 minus 10%, that is 100, remains 900 because trade discount means deduct it. Then add IGST 10% of 900. Why we are adding IGST? Why IGST? Because this transaction is from Mumbai to Kota. Maharashtra to Rajasthan. States are going to change. That's why IGST is applicable. Now, why 10%? Because 5 plus 5. Then next, big B, Jaipur, 20 pencil box, 20 rupees each. that will be 400. Now this is the transaction between Jaipur and Kota. So 5% CGST and SGST both applicable because they are dealing in the same state, Rajasthan, Jaipur and Kota. So two taxes are there. Because trade discount not given, so we have not to enter the trade discount. Okay, so now the total trade discount is not there, only CGST, SGST is there, no IGST, and the total. Now at the end, don't total the detail column. Okay, first 9 and 4, 1300, then 20, then 20, then 90, then add these two. Okay, any doubt, my dear children? I am sure you must understood. Now the question is, see in the question, rate of CGST, IGST, SGST, everything given. Even these cities name also given. So don't be confused. Only keep one thing in your mind. If the states are going to change, then IGST. And if the transaction is within the same states, same state, different cities of the same state like here, Jaipur, Kota, then you will use CGST and SGST both because CGST means Central Goods and Service Tax imposed by central government and SGST means State Goods and Service Tax which is imposed by state government. And IGST is the total combination of CGST and SGST. And if you have any doubt about GST, I uploaded 3 videos on YouTube. You can watch them. Then you will be able to understand what is GST, how it is applicable, how it is entered. Even the numerical way also I explain on YouTube. So you can see the videos. Okay, so today I explain you purchase book,